Hey there, welcome to kube-bisect, the show where we take a look at the latest developments in the Kubernetes master branch. The first thing I want to take a look at today is some changes to the way the logs command works. To do that, I'll need to apply a simple deployment running the HTTPD image, and we're going to have 5 replicas. So we can apply this now, and we'll just give that a few seconds for each of those pods to quickly become healthy. So now we can begin to pull the logs out from one of those pods. So we'll just autocomplete the first one, and there we go, we have some log data. But sometimes you want to get logs from more than one pod, and to do that we use the label selector. Excellent. But there may be a time where you wish to use the label selector and follow the logs, and unfortunately those flags cannot be used together. At least that was until now. With the latest kube control built from the master branch, we can use logs with a label selector and the follow flag to get all of our logs and stream them in real time. The next thing that I want to show you is that Kustomize has been built into the kube control command itself, rather than being an external third-party command. So inside our base directory, we have another simple deployment manifest, and alongside it, we also have a customization.yaml. The customization YAML file allows us to modify a single deployment for multiple environments. Here you can see we're specifying a namespace and some common labels. We also have to create the namespace itself for the deployment to succeed. Inside of our prod directory, we have another customization YAML, only instead of setting the namespace to kube-bisect, we're setting it to prod. And just like the base directory, we also need to create the namespace for the production deployment. And this is our file tree here. Nice and simple. Now we can use kube control master apply using -k instead of f to deploy our base environment. So this will have augmented our deployment.yaml with the changes in the customization.yaml, meaning our deployment will exist inside of the kube-bisect namespace. And as well as specifying the namespace, we also requested some common labels. If we see here, the label YouTube kube-bisect was also added to our deployment. Now if we do that apply, once again, only this time specify the production environment, we'll see that we created our production namespace and we created a new deployment inside of the prod namespace. And just like the previous example, our common labels were also added to the deployment. And that's it. Those are my 2 favorite changes in the last couple of weeks to Kubernetes Master. Until next time.